Hello YouTube. So I just finished installing this Boss Audio head unit, doubled in obviously the GPS, DVD player, backup camera, a whole bunch of AV inputs and stuff. It's actually a pretty nice unit. Got it on Amazon. Boss Audio isn't exactly known for superior quality, but I must say this is actually a fantastic unit. It sounds really good, and I'd love to put something on, but my video is just going to get copy striked or something, or copyright claimed, whatever. With even a 1 second clip now. I mean, it doesn't even matter what you do. Anyway, so I hooked this thing up, and I had the crappy bass unit. One CD changer, nothing special. I don't even have steering wheel controls other than taking a phone call. So it really wasn't anything special here. So this is what it looks like. I'm not here to show off the stereo, but rather, if you had the similar stereo with the one CD changer, all you gotta do to pull this thing off, if your console looks like this, yes, that's a beer, I've been working on it. All you gotta do, pull out that rubber mat that sits right here, and I just use one of these pry bars right there. Just lift it up, stick it under there, it pops right out, and then you just have those two T20 Torx bits. Loosen those up, and then just use your hand right here in the center, that's where I grab, just pull, and it comes right off. Okay? That's all you have to do. So anyway, and yes, it's a little messy in here. I mean, like I said, I just got done working on it. So I've got the key turned forward right now. Hooked up the backup camera. Beautiful. Look at that. Comes on how it's supposed to. And it's actually a pretty clear picture. Now I do have to aim it down a little bit. Okay, sorry, my phone started ringing. Now I do have to aim my camera down a little bit, as you can see. So I will be doing that, and I can aim it down. Put it back in park, just how it's supposed to. Look at that. The reason I didn't do a full install video is because honestly it was a lot more work than I planned on it being, because I had to run the backup camera wiring all the way from the back of the truck, under the truck, up through the floor, and I'll show you how I did that in a second. The only thing I'm not happy with is the location of the GPS. I could have tried to run it outside the truck. It is magnetic, and it probably would have stuck to the roof or something, but I don't know. I have one on the roof of my van, and after the years and years of salt, it's kind of falling off, doesn't really want to stick anymore. The magnet is rusted. So, I mean, you know, it is what it is. It's not the most aesthetically pleasing thing, but it's going to work. And you know what? It's my truck. That's where I put it. That's where I want it. So, I thought about running it up the center here and putting it right there. Maybe my OCD would have preferred that a little bit more, but this way you see a lot less cable. So anyway, I'm gonna go to the back. Open up the back door too. Again, it's a little messy. So I got this backup camera on Amazon. I picked this one because it's actually the whole frame that goes around here, and the camera's right there with the LED lights. They don't really seem to do a whole lot. Anyway, you can see the cord. That's all you see. That's literally all you see. And so what I did is I spliced into this tail light here, the reverse light. And all the wiring and everything is under there. I got it all hung up nice. I ran it under the truck. And then right about here is where you have that storage in the floor. I pulled out the storage. There's some screws right there. Take those out. The whole compartment lifts up. I think there were 6 total. And then you have, that's all you see of my cord. That's the most that you see. But I didn't have enough length. I could have went to the store, bought more length, but there was so much here, I decided to try and work with what I had. Yes, I know I need to vacuum. Anyway, there's the cord. That's all you see. So I ran it up under that trim, and the kids left garbage in here. Ran it up under the trim. Another phone call. Anyway, ran it up under the trim. Follow it. And it goes under here, up under the dashboard. And you can't really see. It goes up under the dashboard, then to the back of the head unit. So I can live with seeing that, 2 inches of cord, of cable. Pretty easy install. Just take your time if you haven't done it before. Read the instructions, and you'll get it done. This one here, as you can see, I've actually got a SpongeBob DVD in it right now. My kids were watching SpongeBob in it. And when I say I just got this hooked up, I mean I just finally finished the backup camera literally right before I started recording this video. So I actually had this hooked up yesterday, but the backup camera wasn't done yet.